Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, that is illness, a sort of disease which is related to the digestive tract. As we are done with all concepts of digestive tract, so we are just moving on to the digestive system diseases. So this is very important as well, and probably this would be a series of diseases which are related to the digestive system. While in today's video we are going to cover a basic disease which has been even basic in these days, and the name of the disease is the food poisoning. And the food poisoning is also has got a common name, that is the illness. Like if you have got a leave, you have got to excuse it, I was ill. So what does illness refer to? That is something relating to the food poisoning stuff. So here at the beginning we have got some wonderful pictures for you, which will make you clear, or which will make you imagine what food poisoning is related to, right? So here it's just a boy standing over here, and he's just some sort of pain in the abdominal region, and he's just feeling some sort of vomiting and just feeling headache stuff. So this is the symptoms which we can look into this diagram and assume. While here is just a wonderful picture of a fork, and but this shows like whatever spoon or fork which you are having, it has got some sort of microorganism stuck to it, and these can be disease causing pathogenic as well. So this is very important to notice that the cleanness is a real thing to matter. So starting with this, we have got different slides, but before moving to that, I'm just want to give you the basic concept of the food poisoning. Of course, I said before, this is also called as illness, and something you're going to disclose the word, you will find that the poisoning toxicity which is related to the food is, some people might think that is it possible like food may be toxic, may be poisonous to us. Yes, maybe not the food, but the microorganisms stick into it. Now how, if you are having question how these microorganisms are present in the food, just take this example of this fork. There are a lot of struct all around us. So yes, uh, of course this is not every time. If you've got a pan, just got some stuff in it to eat, so this will not have every time these microorganisms, or even it is having, our immune system will fight against it. So sometimes it will cause harm to us as well. And this can be some different sort of microorganisms, not limited to certain organism. This can be a bacteria, this can be a virus, and the most common bacteria which causes the food poisoning is the staphylococcus. So this is very important MCQs. Like staphylococcus is the bacteria which causes the food poisoning most commonly, and this can also taking place due to the uncooked food, or the food contamination or food preservation. Like if you are eating packaged material, like if you are eating a refrigerated, for support of sandwich, this is said to be this is packed, and this is said that you have to eat this within in 2 weeks, and this is just refrigerated. This is not, that is something which has just been cooked. So you are just a student and you just ate it after 2 weeks and 1 day. You just thought that what would happen in a single day. Of course this will lead to the food poisoning. So this is advised to not to eat such stuff, food. And we're looking into treatment, uh, and the symptoms as well. Let's move forward the diagrams. Now here we have got some symptoms for you, and we will feel dizziness, some headache and dizziness. Our body will heat up, and this man was also, see that this man is heating up over here. And as I said before, the headache, the nausea, you will feel like heartburn as well. Like you will feel like it's vomiting, I'm just about to vomit. While other food poisoning symptoms may include abdominal pain as well, diarrhea as we mentioned, fever may also occur, and nausea, vomiting, and malaise. Yes, right. Okay, again a fork, a spoon over here, which shows like the food you eat has got this much stuff of microorganisms in it, and which may cause a lot of diseases. So we need to be, very much careful about this stuff. While uh, you should be known about the six common foods which cause the food poisoning, which will include the egg, the tuna, the cheese, the tomatoes, the potatoes, and the leaf green veggies, right? So this was just information. While symptoms we have discussed, like this is not something new over here. Like yes, this is very very important. Like spoiled food is a major factor which is leading to the food poisoning. And treatment, we are now for the treatment here. So there would be a health checkup, even though this can be dealt at the home with precautions, with taking some sort of good food. And uh, you know uh, we can also, the process is followed in this, that is called as rehydration. Rehydration, this process followed for the treatment, this is important. So which process is followed in the treatment of food poisoning? The rehydration. What happens is the restoring of the fluid lost in the dehydration, electrolyte solution, and some antibiotics. Okay, now what happens in food poisoning? There is a loss of water, so there's dehydration. So dehydration is caused by the food poisoning. While in treatment, what we do, we just give the opposite process and just do rehydration. This is important to note. Okay, how to prevent? Of course, I said cleanness is very important. To prevent it, wash hands and fresh food, and wash fruit and vegetables. Avoid uh, contaminated or outdated food. So this was it. I do hope that you got the concept. If you did, do like the video. Meet you guys in the next video. Till that, goodbye.